Hi YouTubers, Andy here. I have a little diesel heater here that they put in these caravans and run them up, run on diesel, and somebody said on YouTube that you can use old engine oil in them. Well, I had this one running on diesel. It was working lovely, nice and hot in the workshop, and a friend of mine gave me some old lawnmower engine oil and I thought I'd give it a go. Put it in, quite a lot of smoke because obviously oil, and after a day of using it, it packed up. So that is what was inside. So much muck, and it won't run no more. After stripping it down, all inside there is all gunked up, and all inside there. So maybe on the bigger diesel heaters that they use in garages, being bigger can cope with it, but I would not recommend putting old engine oil in these heaters. Well, I hope that helps. I'm going to clean it up now, put it back together, and I will try and see if it will run, and I'm sure it will. But when you look at that, there's no way it will run. So on my next video, hopefully you will see it running. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot. Catch you soon, Andy.